I have a fart. Do you want to hear it? I'll blow it really loud for you. It actually made a sound. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. And it kind of stinks too. He seems so fascinated. Look at this.
Questionable one step, I'm gonna fart.
I can play the trumpet too.
No. No.
That was not me. King of force farts. So, here we go. Meat. Now here we go. Meat. Well, something else shot, but not the gun, so. Much better. Make it room. Looks really good. Hey. I don't Rachel? Tomorrow.
What?
Joshua. No, I'm the best sister in the world because.
Yes.
Oop, I tooted.
And this girl cuts in front of me. I'm like, okay, whatever, fine. I just need to poop, hurry up. And her and the checkout dude, hold on, I gotta fart.
Everyone be still.
Did you just? Accentuates the smell of the fart. Oh god.
I have to sit in this water.
Ew, this bathtub, I dare you drink it up. You don't know how many times I've farted in here at that point.
I hate you. I honestly have to fart so bad. I'm gonna fart in like a minute.
So this is what the... Oh my god, Chloe! Stop farting! Anyway. Excuse me.
Got a point. No, it's okay, right?
Like,
What are you doing?
Oh, I farted. That's right. Should I keep that in? I don't wonder.
you want to let me fart it for you?
Yes, please. Here, I'll fart it right on the thing. So that you don't know if you just pick that up. And I'm just gonna flour this. I don't know what's wrong with me.
I'm leaving this vlog now. Please leave.
Mute?
No. Why? Do you need to?
Alright.
Guys, Maddie farted.
Here, fart camera's face.
Yes.
I'm going to bed.
That was on live, you weird.
I don't like seeing this.
I farted. High five. That was so on point.
That was pretty
I'm
cool.
gonna fart again.
Stop.
Was that you? That just farted?
It smells like egg.
That was a leaking one.